Practice set 4, problem number 4. Solve each problem using your calculator. Not all calculators operate the same way. I'm using a Texas Instrument calculator, model 30XA. This is a traditional scientific calculator. So for A, to find the sine of 70 degrees, I will enter the angle measure first and then hit the sine key. This gives me the following ratio then for the sine of 70 degrees is 0.9397 if I round this to 4 decimal places. The next one is asking me to find the sine of 38 degrees. So I will again enter the angle measurement first for this traditional scientific calculator and then hit the sine button. This gives me the ratio of that opposite side length over the hypotenuse length for the sine of this acute angle, 38 degrees. And we have a value of 0.6157 if we round this to 4 significant digits. I should make mention these angles that we're working with and throughout this course are always in degrees. On your calculator, you want to make sure that you do have it in the degree mode. For this particular model, I can see the DEG is displayed there. I have control over the angle measurement, whether it's in degrees, radians, or gradians, using this degree button right next to the second function. If I hit that, it now is showing RAD, short for radian. If I hit it again, it will be measuring angles or giving ratios for angles measured in gradians, and then again back to the designated degrees. As again, throughout this course, we're only working with angles measured in degrees. Other calculators, they may show a D for degrees, and others you have to go through the menu to determine what measurement they're using for their angles. The last one then, for the sine of a 5-degree angle, for the traditional scientific calculator, the angle measurement goes in first, and then we hit sine button, and our ratio is 0.087 and 2 in that 4th decimal place if we're rounding. Some other calculators calculate differently, and they follow a procedure called a direct algebraic logic calculator. In those calculators, if this method isn't working for you, then your calculator is of this other variety where they would hit the sine button first and then have you type the angle measure and most likely hit the equals key to give you the ratio that you're looking for.